Oh my god.
We're gonna cut this car in half!
One of you fine gentlemen, take me up to the corner of 18th and Long. $20 for the ride. I'm gonna be carrying an Xbox with some games.
18th and Long?
Yeah.
As much as I want to take your money.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
You're gonna have to edit me up.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. So, yeah.
Nick, minute.
Hold up. Go. They're rated for impact.
You're gonna have to stand here.
I'm not standing nowhere near that. So much room for activity. Look at that. Hey, I got a question. Do you like guacamole? Hey, let's go.
8:01 p.m.
All right, so we just finished the car, and I have the gas tank right here. It's very sketchy. There's probably, it might blow up. So now we're gonna hook up the battery. Hope that nothing happens. Did it get bashed around a lot?
Yeah, a little bit.
Is that good? No. Oh my god! FBI, open up! That's why I'm wondering maybe this ground is supposed to go straight to the metal.
It's leaking.
Fuck.
Why are we still here?
Fuck.
Just to suffer.
With convenient locations nationwide and well-trained professional parts people, you can count on O'Reilly to help you get back on the road fast.
O'Reilly's didn't have a whole pump deal, so now we're just covering it in steel stick. We sure as hell weren't gonna give one away. It was worth more than the whole fuel pump kit. In a Dodge Neon, this is a high value race car part. Hard as a rock? Very. Harder than my cock? Oh, like a glove. Yeah, just like that. Don't fucking touch it with your knife. Oh, that's tight. Oh, that's real tight. Oh, that's tight. What is this guy doing?
How long has it been since this ran?
18 months. A breaker bar here.
Jesus! Oh my god!
I didn't want to do that. There you go. There you go.
Helicopter, helicopter.
Dude.
Okay. What the fuck?
Yeah.
Did you put that there?
No.
Jordan.
No. There was a tweaker that owned this car before.
That's where he hid his drugs, huh?
Yep. Legend has it that he made it past the Mexican border.
Are you gonna get the jack?
Yeah. Good car. Take the fucking jack.
I can't see. Just go up. Keep going. It's okay. Maybe go down. Your engine went up about 4 inches before everything else did.
good, Jordan. Is crab walking already. Dude, you're literally driving sideways. Hold on, just wait. We need to get the brakes fixed. I don't know if that was coolant or if you dumped gas out of the back of the tank. I mean, we could look at the video.
It's gas?
It might be.
What's this? What the fuck?
I don't know. That came falling off of the back of it.
No, that was scary.
Yeah,
It has no brakes. It has no brakes.
I got you.
You're not
I'm gonna
driving
just
it.
try to.
No,
what?
you're not driving
Why
it.
can't I drive it?
Because we need to fix that, dude. I'm scared.
Let me just
No,
get
that
it back
was
to the
so
driveway,
fast.
just real slow.
No.
I'm not doing that. No way.
That was insane. No, dude, I'm fucking scared shitless. I thought I was running into that pole. No, like it's not connected.
Oh.
It happened before at the mill. Oh my god, no, I'm like shaking, dude. I thought I was hitting that pole. Brakes, and I'm like, oh my god, there's no brakes. I'm like, oh shit, and I'm like coming right for that pole. That scared me so bad, dude.
We have the same hat and truck.
There's this cable down here.
There we go. It's on now. Yeah. Okay, we need to fix the brakes.
It's like non-steerable. I'm trying.
Just tap the. Hold on. We gotta figure out the steering.
What can the best mechanic in LS do for you?
We're capping off brake lines. We're taking some steel stick. We're gonna shove it in one of these. Holding. You're always losing my tools in your pockets.
Yeah. What happened to your impact anyway?
The nice pumpkin. It's not bad. Actual size, pal.
Oh, start.
Smells like a pumpkin pie latte.
Oh. First rip in it? Yeah. And the brakes work. Oh yeah.
Dude, I got soaked with water. This whole thing was filled up with water and it all just... Dude, you can actually control it with the brakes. You can like...
Oh, I bet.
You can get it to stop turning. And it in the Tokyo Drift song.
The hose is laying on the ground.
Oh, okay.
It's the brake line. Brake line.
What's wrong with her now?
Oh no.
What?
We're losing brake.
There's no way to explain it. It starts to turn and you're spun all the way around before your head gets spun to where you're at. I bet you that's probably fucking pinched enough.
All right. Go to Walmart?
Yeah. second.
No. No.
Jordan, red third.
No way. Oh my God.
Yeah, that's already fourth. That's mid-gear.
Never could believe the things you do to me. I never could believe the way you are. This is awesome.
Hey, neighbor. The look on her face.
Oh my God. It works so well, man. The wheel's gone.
Aren't you that loser with that slow car? Over here. You see this? See this right here? This big old turbo. A big old. Don't be the guy with the slow car. Head on down to maxspeedingrods.com. Use code SHSenders, get 10% off. Get anything from turbos, coilovers, connecting rods. You can even get a generator.
Oh my God.
Dude, I was like in my, I'm not even shaking right now.
Oh my
I was
God.
like in my seat, just pressed.
That is awesome. Dude, holy shit.
You gotta try
You want to
that.
see that?
Yeah.
Oh, it's getting hot. He's all, yeah.
Yeah, our car fell. A lot better.
Yeah, yeah. 50% better fuel mileage. No, that's amazing. We got it. Yeah.
Crazy?
Yeah.
Dude, it like throws you back
Oh
in your
my
seat.
God.
All you can do is hold on and just.
Oh,
What are we doing with our lives?
this is so much fun. What do you mean? Yeah.
He knew.
He knew what was up.
Going on. You're gonna have to go the other way.
Oh, it's bad. Dude, that time we were burning the tire.
Oh yeah.
It was just roasting them.
That might
That's
be.
plastic.
Way better mileage.
Yeah, we got in a car wreck. It took the whole back half off.
Yeah, it's fun.
Oh, dude, the wheel's gone.
Look at this side. Look at this side.
Oh, no. Oh,
Hey,
that
hold
one's
on.
just completely
Do the tooted check.
yeah, it is on the ground. Oh, look.
Brake fluid.
Pieces.
Road. Oh man.
Dude, I fucked up the road. I'm gonna have to bring the broom out here. That biker's gonna be pissed.
So I had to lay her down. What they're really saying is I had no clue how to get out of the way, so I slammed on the brakes and slid on my ass.
Oh! What do you think you're doing? What do you think you're doing? Don't you dare! Don't you dare! Oh my gosh. Oh God.
We received a package from Max Speeding Rods, 57mm turbo. We are going to be putting it on the half car. Probably wondering how the hell I'm gonna do that.
I don't have the talent, Bob.
We're gonna put the turbo up here. Run PVC pipe from down to the hood. I will stack off the turbo. We're gonna have an air compressor feeding 10W30 through this to here to the turbo. So we're gonna have oil lines, like one returning down.
What's this contraption here?
No, this is not the proper way to do it. Don't try this at home.